Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, where I'm going to teach you how to increase your internet speed. Well, one of the ways to increase your internet speed is by having a better DNS server. So if you're looking for a better DNS server, definitely go to your settings, go to network and internet, and then find the DNS server assignment right here. Also the IP assignment, you'll be needing that. And then quickly click on edit right here. From automatic, type in manual. If you want, if you're using IPv4, then click toggle on IPv4 and type in your preferred DNS. If IPv6, click on IPv6. And then just an example of a DNS. I'm currently in the Philippines, and Cloudflare is one of the best DNS to use for my country, for here in the Philippines. So I'm just gonna copy this right there, and then paste the preferred DNS right here, and then this is the alternate. So this is the DNS right here for IPv6. Then here is the alternate DNS. Click on save, and automatically that becomes now your DNS server. Another way to do this is by going to your device manager. From the device manager, you want to go to network adapters right here. Go to either your Ethernet controller. So if you are on Ethernet, definitely go to your Ethernet controller right here. Go to advanced, scroll down, find speed and duplex. Either click on auto negotiation or set it up on its maximum capacity, 1 Gbps full duplex. Just make sure that this is compatible, or it can be done with your PC, because some PCs tend to not be able to run at this type of speed or this type of rate. So yeah, those are the two options in order for you to boost your internet connection. If we've helped you out on this, please do not forget to hit the like and of course subscribe button, and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.